Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely BMW 1 Series 118i M Sport we've currently got for sale. It's got that 1.5 petrol engine producing 136 brake horsepower. You've also got that DCT automatic gearbox there as well for seamless gear changes. To stand off at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from these LED headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side you get these lovely optionally fitted alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with your power folding and heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, so plenty of room here for multiple suitcases or any further luggage. Moving inside, it's lovely park cloth and leather upholstery with the contrasting blue stitching. There's a couple of USB-C ports in the back for rear passengers. At the front, there's a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel alongside your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheels, a full digital display housing your vital driving information. And moving on to that iDrive system, there's digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity available, including satellite navigation and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. This car also benefits from the full BMW service history, as you can see here, giving you peace of mind motoring. You've also got the Harman Kardon sound system, which has been fitted to this vehicle with the Logic 7 surround. You've also got different driving modes, including that sport setting for a more dynamic drive, and also an eco setting to help reserve some fuel. There's even multiple assistance systems available to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including your front collision warning. You've also got the ambient lighting pack available to help brighten the cabin whilst driving at night, with a huge range of different colours to choose from. And to help with parking, there's also front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. Moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control on offer, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. A little bit further down the cabin, there's a little bit of storage on offer, with another USB port there as well. You've also got your keyless start. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.